Hey, my name is Mark Wheeler. I've got a 1606 DownEast frame here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to attach the 64 pack Gen 4 to the frame. So what you do is you lay out your pack here like so, and you take your frame and you place these two straps right down the bottom here. You place them close to this slot right here, these two slots. So I'm going to take this strap, pop it through the bottom here, and as you can see, it fits right nicely into there. And it's really easy to do because you have a slot to place it through. There we go. And then I'm going to take the long strap here. I'm first going to put it through. I'm going to flip that over for a second. I'm first going to place it through this buckle right here. This buckle will hold the flap area, the top flap area of the ruck close to the frame. So this is what this is for. So you bring this through here. Just going to take the other one and pop it through too. Like so. And then I'm going to flip that back up. Now again, when you have the hip pad, the yoke, and the shoulder strap in there, it's rather difficult to show you these slots. So this is the reason I'm doing it without those other components on there. So then you take this strap and you bring it up through this middle slot right here and pull that through. Okay, now what we're going to do is attach it to these bottom ones down here. It goes through the back slot and then through the front slot. Just going to leave that loose. Just going to do this one on this side. And these slots down the bottom of the frame are really great because they actually hold it in position, not allowing the bottom to go back and forth. So they're really excellent that way. Now these two middle buckles right here, all I'm going to do is take, these are lateral straps to hold the sides against the frame. Just going to put those through there like so. There is no slots for this. You just put it right over top of the frame. Okay, so you got these two, and now the next strap that we're going to attach is the bottom. It brings the corner into the frame. So what we do is take there's two straps here, and we're going to take this, pop it up through here, and then down through here. Just going to let that hang for a minute and grab the other one, bring it up through here, down through here, and once you tighten these ones up, it'll bring the corners of the pack right into the frame. Alright, now just going to pull that down a bit, and you really want to keep all your straps loose at this point. If you had tightened these up, for example, it would be very difficult to get to this right now. Alright, we'll leave that down there. And then we'll grab the next one here. Just going to pull that buckle right out. Pop it through there. Okay, so they're in place. All the straps are in place. Now at this point, you want to grab your needle nose pliers and just start to pull on your straps all around, tighten it in. And you want to try and do that evenly so that your bag is centered on the back. one's nice and tight. Now this one here, I'm just going to tighten that up. And you can really come on to these. They really hold well. Alright. Now, as a suggestion, after you put everything together, remember you're going to have your hip pad here, your yoke here, and your shoulder straps. So you got a lot of straps going on. What I would suggest you do is to clean it up a little bit. Just roll this strap up. Like so, you can use gun tape for this too. I'm going to take a zap strap. Got some of these around the house. It really helps a lot. Just tighten that up. Cut that off. And that also helps keep your strap in place so it doesn't come loose. Yeah, so that gives you an idea of how the Gen4 64 pack fits to the 1606 DownEast frame. Thanks very much for watching.